Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a video for Microstrategy. It's the stock of buy now. I mean, we did a price prediction not long ago. You guys can see it on March the 4th. Looking for Microstrategy to go higher. It's now trending to that position, going up. Maybe it has enough room to hit our ultimate TV price. We're going to talk about that real quick. So welcome everyone to the channel. Before I get started, make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my information and content, and to also support. All right. So now look. Currently, it's good that we've seen MicroStrategy hold this small sliver of buying right here that we identified in MicroStrategy. They've done a great job on March the 10th and the 11th, and I'm talking about the buyers and supporting this pocket of buying. So we might actually readjust this pocket now, and let's get rid of that one. And we're going to create another one around this area here. Okay, so now that pretty much tells us that we're on the right track for our prediction and looking for MicroStrategy to go up. Now you guys can see we're knocking on the door of this sell pocket right here in MicroStrategy. Okay, we talked about that. We've seen that. We also saw sellers actually do a great job of keeping these buyers at bay around that sell pocket. Price did a massive move down following the 5th and the 6th of March. And now these buyers are knocking on the door again. Will they be successful? Time will tell. Let's look at this on the 330 first, though. So here is the price action in MicroStrategy on the 330. You guys can see that these buyers are really trying to break through this pocket of selling. Matter of fact, I think they did do that. So let's get rid of it. And let's say that they're trying to target this next sell pocket, which is around $330. Okay. That's where they're looking to bring price. Here is MicroStrategy on the 5. Okay. Here it is on the 3 and on the 1. One of the biggest issues that I see here is that these buyers, they really got walloped back here in the beginning of March. Like, these sellers really became more active. They sold more than people were willing to buy, and price completely went down. Like, the buyers really tried to break that market up from these 1 hour bars. They tried, like, we got to give them credit, but they didn't win. They retreated, they ran away, they fled to safer ground around $230, $240, and now they're trying to come back and go against these sellers a second time. And the reaction currently doesn't look good for the buyers. Like, they're still scared, or at least if anything, they're trying to chip away at the sellers in that pocket. So that means, okay, it means that if we're going to continue to look for price to go up in MicroStrategy, we need to see these areas hold. We need to see these pockets hold in MicroStrategy. Okay, so I would say those two pockets needs to be maintained in MicroStrategy. Here it is on the 2. So the 2 looks pretty decent for us to at least look for price in MicroStrategy to continue to lift up in price. Here it is in the 3. MicroStrategy on the 4, 5, and the weekly. Okay, so yeah, I'm not going to change the idea of us looking for MicroStrategy to go higher. The market still looks pretty bullish in that sense. But as with every prediction, you have to be cautious. You have to be aware of where the tricks could be, the traps could be, and it's definitely right there in this pocket. So if the market doesn't break this sell pocket, you already know. I'm telling you now, be prepared for MicroStrategy to go lower. Okay, so I'm just going to extend it over just a little bit more so we can give the market a little bit more time to hit this next sell pocket. That was around, like I said, 330. That will give us 20%. Move to the upside. If you don't feel comfortable, if you're a little nervous to think that these buyers won't be successful, take the 10 and the 0.75%. Like, you're up, you're winning. And that's ultimately the game. The name of the game is for us to win more often than we lose in the stock market. So yeah, go ahead and give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.